Creates consistent cookies with the press of a lever. Durable, stainless steel discs in 12 classic and custom designs. Non-slip base keeps cookie press steady. Clear body shows how much dough is left. Large, non-slip lever is comfortable for repetitive use. Comes apart for easy filling and cleaning. Convenient case for storing discs. Creating impressive, consistent cookies is a cinch with the OXO Good Grips 14-piece cookie press set. The non-slip base keeps the press steady so you get uniform cookies with a simple pump of the large, comfortable lever. The clear body is easy to fill and shows you how much dough you have left. Our press disassembles quickly for thorough cleaning. Set includes convenient storage case for 12 durable stainless steel discs: daisy, flower, sunflower, fleur-de-lis, butterfly, bear, shell, leaf, heart, snowflake, tree and wreath. Top reviews from the United States. So convenient and easy. I'm so glad I bought this. I really love Stella Park's Oreo recipe, but I hate the mess of rolling out the dough. I thought it might work pretty well in a cookie press, so I bought this, and sure enough it does. Using the sunflower disc, the cookies are not as wide, so you only need about half the filling as the original recipe if you're even using filling. I almost always chop or crush them for use in other recipes, so it doesn't matter at all that they look different. If you want to make the recipe, it can be found at Serious Eats. Make the dough as instructed, then bake only 8 minutes at 350 F and let finish cooling on the tray for 5 minutes in front of a fan. No fan would probably work too. But since I've bought this, I am going to make all sorts of cookies with it. I am going nuts at Christmas. I think Stella's Nutter Butter recipe would probably work too. This cookie press is really easy to use. It's very ergonomically comfortable and fun. I bet kids would love it. Like other reviewers have noted, it doesn't really work on parchment paper, but I have found it works great on a Teflon-free nonstick baking sheet I have.